Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Ryan here at the Trawf with a couple of our boys, Owen and Lucas, and we got a pretty fun little recipe for you today. Could be used for breakfast. In this case, we're going to use it for dessert on a Sunday. It's going to be good no matter what. We're going to go ahead and make some homemade apple fritters. So I'll put a link to the recipe that we used in the description down below. If you're new here, welcome to the Trawf. Hit that subscribe button, please, and that notifications bell. And we hope you enjoy what you see here and love to hear your comments down below. As always, welcome to the Trawf. Alright, so the ingredients list for this includes 1 cup of all-purpose flour. As usual, I'm using King Arthur unbleached flour. We've got 1 egg, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and we've got a cup of apples chopped up as well. So now we'll start putting things together. So here we're going to be adding all the dry ingredients into a bowl, one by one, and then we'll mix them together with a whisk to make sure they're evenly combined. Once we've got that done, we'll begin adding our wet ingredients: 1 egg, a little bit of milk, stir that together. You'll see that it's going to form a pretty lumpy batter. Once you do that, you take that batter and work in your diced apples into the mix, and we're ready to move over to the fryer. Alright, so we've got the cast iron skillet here going over medium-high heat. I presume the oil temperature is around 350 or 375, and you want to add small batches of your batter directly into the oil. What I did learn was flattening these out makes them cook a little faster and a little evener. So I think the second batch came out a little better than the first. Again, like usually when pan frying, don't overcrowd the skillet and give them a few minutes just to get browned up on that one side. After several minutes, you'll check the bottom and make sure, and then you can see that the bottom side is nice and golden brown, and you want to carefully flip these over and begin cooking the second side. So, working in batches, continue frying up your fritters until all of them are done. Put them out on a paper towel quickly to dab off any additional grease and let them cool. Now we're going to go ahead and make a real simple glaze for the top of this. It starts with powdered sugar. As you can see here, I probably should have used a bigger bowl. I started out by measuring the milk, but this probably is more of a feel thing to try to find the right consistency. I'm using powdered sugar here, milk, and also flavored up with a little bit of vanilla extract. The texture you're looking for is something that can slowly drizzle and should be just nice for easy application. Once you've got the consistency where you want it, you take your cooled fritters and just drizzle over the top as little or as much frosting as you like. Getting the first side, allowing it to dry for about 15 minutes, then turning them over and glazing the second side. Alright, so here we go. These are our homemade apple fritters. You can probably see that. We've got them all glazed up with a real quick little glaze. Let's see what the inside looks like. Alright. Nice and moist. Really, really quick, simple to make. Got a couple of taste testers here. Since they help make them, they might as well help eat them. Literally just like the convenience store, just like the bakery. Talk about a quick dessert. Matter of fact, you want to make something special for your family for breakfast? get up early and whip up these really quick. Simple, very basic ingredients that most people have around the house. And
Tasting the apple.
yeah, the apple taste is really good. This is delicious. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You know we love having people around here at the Trawf checking out our new stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and we're going to get on to our next adventure here. So have a great day, everybody. Thank you.